Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. An indecisive spinning top yesterday, though it could also be seen as a second bullish white soldier after the previous session's counter-to-the-counter key reversal up and bullish engulfing pattern. The market punched up through the overhead congestion band 73.38 to 73.73, fallen from the May 2019 low at 73.38, along with the 50% absolute Fibonacci line at 73.73, only to be capped by the short medium moving average, currently at 73.99, and turned back down and closed just below that 73.38 to 73.73 congestion band. Further down, we have the previously highlighted 71 3/4 to 72.29 congestion zone, comprising the 2020 high at 71 3/4, the September 23 high at 71.99, and the December 23 low at 72.29. Overall, will continue to be part of a reactionary move back up from the bright red neckline, and that's currently at 71.39 of the recently proposed, unusual though possible, early September to date head and shoulders pattern. Now this pattern is, I know it's pushing the technical analysis envelopes quite hard, as it just happens to be in the wrong place, and I know some might discount it or even ignore it completely, but as I recently said, I felt obliged to at least mention it. It would seem to me that just perhaps recent bearish pressure had been another attempt to try and trigger this head and shoulders pattern, if only just, and seems to have failed for now. We are also still in between the overhead dark blue middle time, currently at 24.48, and the dark blue lower time below, currently at 68.14. And that's of the April to July bearish shift pitch, which has been a showrunner for a while, though we are significantly closer to the middle time right now. One final feature to be aware of: yesterday's actions completed approximately 90% odd of the work necessary to make this week a weekly key reversal, all done in just 2 sessions, Monday and Tuesday. Hence, for this week, keep a close eye on that 74.13 level, and we have not been up there yet, but we're only about 20 ticks away. Now, so far today, a try higher, piercing once more the overhead 73.38 to 73.73 congestion band, but getting stuck and backing off lower once more from the overhead short medium moving average. Spot gold. A second bullish white soldier after the previous session's strong reactionary combined bullish engulfing pattern and bullish open and close white Mariposa. Prices continued their bounce up from the combination below of the dark blue upper trend line, currently at 25.53, of the big April to September broadening top pattern, as well as the very close by rising mauve medium moving average, currently 25.56, with a little below the August 2023 high at 25.32. Now, I previously said that there was an argument to regard the possibility that the action as far back as August to date may be a possible bump and run reversal top. However, the last 2 sessions' actions dent that possibility. Nevertheless, if this still turns out to be the case, then there are a number of potentials below, depending on the severity of the bump and run pattern. These could be in the 24.72 zone, the 24.32 zone, or even as far as the 23.80 zone, down to the 23.53 zone. It all seemingly very much depends on the strength of the combined dark blue upper trend line and the mauve medium moving average, and that's to stop such a potential move lower. Additionally, yesterday the market was corralled on the top side by the green short medium moving average, currently 26.47. The first resistance bar the early October 24 lows, this year's lows, just under 26.10. That the market encountered on its way up. Beyond this, we next have the September this year high at 26.85. Now, so far today, a further corralling by the overhead green short medium moving average, with the market pulling down away from it just a little.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.